Good morning, everybody. How are you? Okay, in the previous class, what did we cover? Interrogative sentences. And how many types of sentences have we come to know? They are assertive, interrogative, imperative, operative and exclamatory sentence. What is interrogative sentence? Who can answer it? Raise your hand. What is interrogative sentence? Who can answer it? Yes, Safin. What is interrogative sentence?
Sentence that is used to question.
That is used to ask questions. And how many types of interrogative sentence are there?
7.
7. What are they?
Open question, closed question, choice question, tag question, statement question.
And another 2? Yes.
Indicative question and rhetorical question.
And rhetorical question. Thank you very much, Shafin. Be seated. What is open-ended question? What is open-ended question? Open-ended question? Yes.
They are called open-ended questions, and which answer is not limited to yes or not, and they require a detailed answer.
They require
detailed answer.
They require words, okay, to be responded. Okay. They require word to be responded. Open-ended questions cannot be answered by shaking or nodding your heads or by using yes or no. You have to utter words in order to answer open-ended question. What is closed-ended question? Closed-ended question.
In which question the answer is limited to yes or no is called closed-ended.
Okay. Answer of the closed questions are limited. Answers of the closed questions are limited to yes and no. We don't need to utter words in order to respond to closed-ended question. There are other types of questions. What is choice question? What is choice question? Arafat, what is choice question?
The question we should have the answer in the question and give us some choices.
Okay, choice questions offer choices and we have to choose in order to answer this type of question. Can you give one example of choice question?
Do you want a coffee or tea?
Do you want to have a cup of coffee or a cup of tea? Do you want to have a cup of coffee or a cup of tea? So you can choose either a cup of tea or a cup of coffee. That is choice question. Who can tell me the structure of closed-ended question? Structure of closed motion? Structure of closed-ended question?
Sir, second number or one number?
Both we have come to know two structures of closed-ended question. What are they? Two structures of closed-ended question. View.
First main bar plus subject plus.
Main bar plus subject plus remainder if any. One example. Anyone can give one example? Anyone? Mohsin? One example.
One example of the first structure is are you sad or are you happy?
Are you happy? Here are is functioning like the main verb, not auxiliary verb, because it is not followed by any other verb. So there is not any other verb to be supported by this auxiliary verb, and that is why auxiliary verb is functioning like the main verb. This is the first structure of closed-ended question. What is the second structure of closed-ended question? Second structure. You? Second structure?
Auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb plus remainder.
Auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb plus remainder. That is the second structure. Now, without example, theory, is doomed to be ineffective. So we need example. Who can give us the example? Yes, here.
Are you eating?
Are you? Are you eating? Here are is the auxiliary verb. You subject and eating is the main verb. So we have finished dealing with closed-ended questions. But how many structures do we have for open-ended question? 3 structures. Who can tell me the 3 structures? 3 structures. Structure number 1. You. Structure number 1.
WH word or WH phrase plus main verb plus subject plus main.
Okay. So, is there anyone who can tell it again? Yes, you. Structure 1 of
WH words or WH pause plus main verb plus subject plus remainder.
remainder. Now one example. Yes, Shafin, one example. Yes, one example.
How are they?
How are they? Very good. It is WH word how. Are is the main verb and they is the subject. Okay? Or remainder if any. What is the second structure? Second structure. What is the second structure? You?
WH words or WH phrase plus main verb auxiliary verb plus subject plus
WH word plus or WH phrase plus auxiliary verb.
subject plus main verb.
Subject plus main verb. Very good. Or remainder if any. Any example? Example? Yes, you?
So what are you doing?
What are you doing? So here WH word here, not WH phrase. Any example with WH phrase? Which pen do you want? Here which pen is the WH phrase? And then is followed by an auxiliary verb is which pen do? Auxiliary verb do. You is the subject and one is the main verb. Okay. So we have come to know about the second structure of WH question and what is the third structure of WH question. What is the third structure? Yes, what is the third structure? Who plus main verb plus remainder. Very good. This is the third structure. But again, looking for one example. One example of the third structure. Yes, one example of third structure. Who is he? Very good. Who is he? So there are 3 structures of open-ended question. We have finished. And there are 2 structures of closed-ended question. Okay, so finally, please be seated, all of you. Be seated. Finally, we have come to know about open-ended and closed-ended question. Again, what is interrogative sentence? Who can answer it? What is interrogative sentence? Yes, Mohsin, what is interrogative sentence?
Sentences which refers to a question that we are asking.
Okay, refers to a question we are asking. That is interrogative sentence. And how many types of interrogative sentence have we finished? 7 types of interrogative sentence. But today, how many of them have we talked about? 3 of them. What are they? Choice question. Open-ended question, closed-ended question and choice question. In the next class, I will deal with tag question in detail. Okay, tag question. If you want to deal with tag question, you need to know auxiliary verb correctly. Okay, you need to know auxiliary verb very thoroughly. Without auxiliary verb, you cannot form tag question. Okay, at the same time, there are some exceptions. We'll deal with in the next class. Be seated. Thank you very much.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, what is the question, Mohsin?
Statement question, indirect question and
We have just come to know there are 7 types of questions, but we haven't finished all of them. We have only finished 3 of them. Open-ended, closed-ended and choice questions. But in the next class, we are supposed to deal with tag question. Okay, we need only 15 minutes for statement question, rhetorical questions. Very simple so that you know them. You have this type of questions and you use them in real life. Okay? You need only 15 minutes to deal with them. 15 minutes to 30 minutes maximum. Okay? Be seated. Thank you so much. Okay. So you can put your hands together for your performance.